Hi everybody, welcome to Web Server Application Development. My name is Kevin Gantos and I will be the instructor for this course. Throughout this term you will learn about ASP.NET MVC development. We'll be walking through the processes of doing development in a real world mimicked environment. It'll allow us to kind of learn how to do web development. It'll also walk us through what it feels like to work in a more enterprise or business level environment doing software development and what are best practices in doing that. As I said, my name is Kevin. I am a part-time adjunct instructor at the University of Cincinnati. I teach 2 classes a term, one online and one face-to-face. My full-time job is a solutions engineer for Learn21. Learn21 is a nonprofit who works with school districts K-12 and higher ed, providing IT and technology solutions. I've worked in the IT space for about 17 years, doing web development and IT support, 15 years with ASP.NET MVC, 13 years with SQL Server, and 4 years with ASP.NET MVC specifically. I have taught this course for about 4 years now, so this is a great honor to be able to teach to you. This video is more of just an introductory video. I just want to walk you through logistics of the course, talk through the syllabus a little bit, talk about how grading will be handled, and the expectations in the course. The course will be mimicking a real-world environment. The goal here is to try to make the course feel as much as, or as similar as it would working within an IT company. Since this is an online course, I'm working really hard to try to provide avenues for collaboration and communication, and as well as providing assistance to students pretty much just about any time that I'm available. I also have a time set aside where you can do face-to-face meetings, and I'll talk about that more in a little bit. But the goal is to make this online course not feel so isolated or separated. So the way that the process of the course will work is that there will be weekly video lectures that I will post. Those will be broken into 5 to 15 minute video snippets, and my goal there is to provide you with the instruction on how to do a particular task. Sometimes I will also mix into those videos from YouTube that I may have found that I've used in my learning, as well as videos from MSDN's Channel 9. MSDN is the Microsoft Developers Network, and I often use those videos in my own learning as I'm learning new technology. The goal there is for you to become comfortable with using different resources to help increase your learning. As I'm sure you've heard time and time again, IT is one of those spaces where you're constantly in a state of learning, and I think it's very important to take these opportunities to not only teach you new technologies, but also give you opportunities to practice learning and learning these technologies from different people and different voices. So I'll be providing you with a collection of different resources. I'll work to try to flag which ones are required versus optional. Just as a general rule of thumb, the video lectures will be required, and then most of the additional resources that may be documentation or blogs or any other sort of written resources will be supplemental resources that are just available for you to read, and I'll let you know which ones are required in the course. There'll then be weekly assignments, which I'll talk more about later, but those will be found in the assignment section of the Blackboard course. So as I said, a majority of the course content will be delivered through Blackboard. If you're watching this video, hopefully you found it on Blackboard. This is where you will find most of your content. So there's a syllabus section that you can use to view the syllabus. I'll be posting announcements weekly just to let you know when new content is available for the course. There will be learning modules that will be paced to guide you through content and curriculum, and you'll want to watch those each week. And then there'll be a weekly assignment that will tie into your final project, and they will basically act as stepping stones toward the final project.